Hello students, today we are going to study a very important topic, Indian literary and cultural personalities. This topic is extremely important for exams because it covers literature, music, dance, cinema and social reform. Let us begin this journey into India's rich cultural heritage. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It has produced great poets, writers, artists, and thinkers over thousands of years. From ancient Sanskrit scholars to modern Nobel Prize winners, Indian personalities have influenced the entire world. We can divide these personalities into different categories such as literature, music, dance, visual arts, cinema, and social reform. Each category has contributed significantly to the development of Indian culture. Let us begin with Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on 7th May 1861. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1913 for his famous work Gitanjali. He was the first Asian to receive a Nobel Prize. He also composed India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh's national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla. Munshi Premchand is known as Upanyas Samrat, which means Emperor of Novels. He was born on 31st July 1880. His most famous novel is Godan, which describes the struggles of a poor farmer. He wrote 14 novels and more than 300 short stories. Sarojini Naidu was a great poet and freedom fighter. She was born on 13th February 1879. She is known as the Nightingale of India because of her beautiful poetry. Her birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day in India. Mahadevi Verma was an important Hindi poet. She was born on 26th March 1907. She is called Modern Meera because her poetry is devotional and emotional. She received the Gyanpith Award in the year 1982. R.K. Narayan was one of the greatest Indian writers in English. He was born on 10th October 1906. He created a fictional town called Malgudi. Harivansh Rai Bachchan was a famous Hindi poet. He was born on 27th November 1907. His most popular work is Madhushala. In this work, he uses the idea of a tavern, wine, and cup to explain life in a philosophical way. Now let us look at some classical writers. Kalidasa is known as the Indian Shakespeare for his great Sanskrit works. Kabir wrote dohas that taught unity and equality. Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas, which is still widely read and respected. India has produced many legendary musicians. Lata Mangeshkar is known as the Nightingale of India in music. Mohammad Rafi was a very versatile singer. A.R. Rahman is known as the Mozart of Madras and has won Academy Awards for his music. In dance and art, India has a rich tradition. Rukmini Devi Arundale revived Bharatanatyam dance. Birju Maharaj was a master of Kathak dance. Raja Ravi Verma was a famous painter who combined Indian themes with modern techniques. In cinema, Satyajit Ray is one of the greatest directors. His film Patha Panchali is world famous. He received both the Bharat Ratna and an honorary Academy Award. Guru Dutt was another great filmmaker known for films like Pyasa. Social reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Swami Vivekanand used culture as a tool for change. India's major awards include Bharat Ratna, Gyanpith Award, Sahitya Akademi Award, and Dada Saheb Phalke Award. These awards recognize excellence in literature, arts, and cinema. So students, today we have understood the important Indian literary and cultural personalities. These great individuals have shaped India's identity and influenced the world. Revise this topic regularly and practice questions daily for better results in exams. Jai Hind.